Hello, it's Crafty Rhea and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, yet it is still recycling. I am going to be taking a wedding invitation that I received and I'm going to make a wedding card for the couple using the wedding invitation. I received this in the mail. It had this beautiful navy blue velvet ribbon wrapped around it. And this is the actual wedding invitation. Of course, I covered up the personal info. And this is the back of the wedding invitation. Really pretty florals. And this is the RSVP card. It was just to go to a website to RSVP. I didn't have to send it back, but I'm going to use this on the card as well. I will be posting this after the wedding. Of course, I'm making this before the wedding. So I'm going to use a 5x7 card base in this blue, and it is a textured cardstock base. And of course, I'm going to use some light blue glitter paper because you know how I love glitter paper. And then I have some embellishments here, some butterflies and some hummingbirds that Noelle had sent to me from the paper source. These are absolutely beautiful and I cannot think of a better thing to use them on, but a wedding invitation. And I have some of these wedding stickers, and I think I'm going to use the Best Wishes sticker from that. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you what I do. This might give you an idea for a wedding card if you receive a wedding invitation. So I'm going to start with the card base. I do want to use this and place it as the card base. This part down here just lists the wedding website, and it is surrounded with white. So I want to cut that whole piece off. I'm going to use this as if it were just a piece of background paper, patterned paper. And the card width, of course, is 5 inches. So I'm going to cut this just a little bit short of 5 inches. I'm trying to decide which side I want to cut it from. I'm going to take a little bit off of each side. Actually, I will take all of it off of this side since there's a lot of white space. There we go. And that is how that will look, maybe a little bit more off of this side. I'll make it 4 3/4 of an inch. There we go, and that's how much of a mat, and it is leaving some space down here. I may want to cut it a little bit shorter. Let me see how the ribbon fits. Yes, I do want to cut this a little bit shorter across the bottom. Yes, that'll leave me a really good border around that ribbon. And then I will be placing this over top of this. It's kind of hard to see the contrast, but that's how it will look. And I'm going to mat this on the a little bit of this blue sparkly glitter paper. Okay, then I'm going to adhere this down to the card base. Then I will use the ribbon and I will place this ribbon right along there. I'm going to put some adhesive right onto the card. And this ribbon does not fray, or at least it hasn't yet, and I think it would be fine to just cut it like this. I don't have to tuck it behind anything. I'll save that scrap for something else. Then I have the little sentiment here that says best wishes. It's already up on some foam tape. I'm going to add a little bit of adhesive to this foam tape just so it sticks a little bit better. There we go, and I'm going to push that down really good just to make sure it gets into that ribbon. And then I have this piece here. I'm going to put it up on some foam adhesive so that it has a little bit of dimension. I have these adhesive foam squares that I'm going to use. They're a little bit thicker than my other adhesive, but since I'll be delivering this in person, it's not going to matter as far as the thickness is concerned. And that way it does give it a little more dimension, especially for a card as special as this one. And if you are the bride and you are watching this, or the groom even, I hope you love this wedding card. You'll know who you are once you see it. So I just put a bunch on the back here. I put some in the middle just so it doesn't cave in at all. Okay, I have all of the adhesive, the backing removed from the adhesive, so then I will take this and I will place it on the front of the card. There we go. And since I only have 3 of the butterflies, I will place those down first. And I will place a few of the hummingbirds. Actually, I might do a hummingbird coming off of this flower. Just as if he's eating out of the flower. Maybe I'll do one on the blue as well. There we go. And then I will put the butterflies down. There we go. So I have the 3 butterflies and I have 2 of the hummingbirds. I think I will leave it at that. I still have 2, or actually 3 hummingbirds left for another project. I have this sentiment from a wedding pack that I have. It says it's so amazing when someone comes into your life and you expect nothing out of it, but suddenly there right in front of you is everything you ever need. I'm going to use that as the sentiment for the inside of the card. I'm going to mount it on this blue glitter paper. I'll trim that out and then put it on the inside of the card. There we go. And that is their wedding card. I will write a message inside and put this in an envelope for the bride and groom. And I think they will be surprised, maybe not surprised when they know it's from me, that I recycled their wedding card, wedding invitation into a wedding card for them. I hope they love it. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button to be part of our community here on YouTube. I do a lot of videos similar to this where I recycle cards and do all sorts of fun little crafts. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. Let me know if you've ever recycled a wedding invitation into a wedding card before. Thanks again for joining me. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.